This is our first excursion right here. Kuya Dundee. Kita man si Kuya Dundee. Kuya, ikaw si Kuya Dundee? Ah, okay. Nakikita ko ang pangalan niya.
Oh, Kuya Dundee po.
Ah, okay. Okay, we have whale shark watching, Tumalog Falls, Kawasan Falls, canyoneering, turtle watching, Sardines Run, Pescador Island, and here we are. Mualboal, Badyan, active in Mualboal, island hopping, snorkeling, scuba diving, Melby Station, Badyan, active in Kawasan, Oslo, active whale shark. So, okay, they're cleaning the beach because of some irresponsible tourists who just throw their trash here in the water. See that? Now they're cleaning it. Very good. See? There's a lot of irresponsible people. They just don't care. Oh, there's a beach ball there. See that? Unsa man na bayang island na? Cebu pa na? Kana Cebu? Asa ng Negros? Negros na? Oriental? Unsang banwa? Unsa nang bayan din na? Malanod. Ha? Malanod. Malanod? Oh, okay. Pwede ko lang ngayon, no? Pwede ko lang ngayon. Ay. Ay, binakak lang ko. Hindi na ako kamawamag lang. So, the guy said that island there is Negros Oriental. And I told him I can swim going back there. Junel. Negros Oriental. Ako lang yun na unya. Bisaya, Ilonggo mang mi.
Tagalog lang para.
Sige, Tagalogin natin.
Good morning po pala sa inyo lahat. By the way, welcome po dito sa Mualboal, Panagsama Beach. Panagsama. Mualboal, Panagsama Beach.
Panagsama. Aha.
So, ako po pala si Junrel at saka si Junjun.
Ay, wala, Junjun and Junrel.
Okay? Kami po magiging tour guide yung ngayon. Okay? Ang gagawin po natin ngayon is snorkeling lang po tayo.
Sige.
Yung nakikita natin dito is Sardines Run at saka turtle watching. Okay? Una tayo sa turtle watching. Yung turtle watching is nasa shallow area lang po.
Okay, good.
Mababaw lang po sila.
Nawa kami yan. Listen.
So, pag nakita lang natin yung turtle, kung maaari, bawal natin hawakan.
Kaya nakasas na lang, okay?
Pwede tayong humuli. Turtle soup. Ayaw, okay. Ayaw na lang.
So, okay lang tayo palapit tayo kasi isa kayo ipopost kayo mamaya.
Sige.
Palapit sa turtle.
Sige.
Kunin kayo ng video, picture.
Sige.
Pero bawal natin.
Sige.
Okay? Tapos natin sa turtle, pangalawa natin pupuntahan yung sardines area. Yung sardines area natin is medyo malalim po talaga yan. Kasi yung dagat namin dito is diretso po drop po.
Tapos drop mo yan.
Kantilado.
Kantilado po yung dagat namin.
That's why. Okay.
Yan, dyan po yung area sa sardines. Pero huwag kayong magalala. Kahit yung area sa sardines malalim, kahit nasa ibabaw lang tayo sa surface, Makikita lang natin mga 3 to 5 meters. Kung gusto nyo patulak, tutulak nyo isa lang. Pag hindi kaya, ako na lang balang
Ay,
sisisid.
ganda lang.
Oh.
Picture.
Iuli mo ako ng sardin ha. Sugba ko mamaya.
Ano?
Sudan. Almusal, hindi pa kami nag-almusal.
So,
Okay.
ikaw marunong yung gumamit ito? Okay.
May, kabalo ka?
Turuan mo nga yan ang
So, yun. Tignan mo na ako mama. Pag gamit itong mamas, dapat yung muka dito, tapos yung strap, hilahin dito ito. Itakas. Ano?
Tapos ititle ko lang din.
Dapat yung strap po talaga.
tanawa.
Ibabaw po ng tenga. Hindi po sa ibaba.
Tanawanay.
Above your...
Dapat din walang buhok dito.
Ano gusto mo?
Buhok. Ganon.
You want me to put it on? Ready?
Tapos ibabaw po ng
Over
tenga.
there? Now?
Huwag nakalapan yan.
What's going on?
Okay.
Ha?
Kung gusto mong higpitan, itong dalawang gilid, pwede mong hilahin.
Just watch it and you put the back. Okay? Okay?
Ito na malo. Adya.
Okay.
Okay? Pag nasuot nyo na to, maaari hindi kayo hihinga sa ilong. Kasi pag hihinga kayo sa ilong, yung mask nyo magpapag talaga yan. So, dapat dito tayo, inhale, exhale sa bibig lang. Okay? Pahinga. So, sa pagkagat nito, marunong kayo? Madali lang po, para mag-bis lang. 3 letters lang po, yun. A, I, U. A, nga. Yung I naman, kagat itong dalawa, tapos yung O, nakasarado yung labi. Ito niyo po. A, I, U. Itong dalawa, kagatin mo itong dalawa, tapos yung labi yung nakasarado. Okay? Inhale, exhale po kayo. Pag in case may tubig dito pumasok, pwede natin i-blow yan kung kaya nyo. Kasi lalabas, may butas ito, lalabas yan. Ganun nila po. Pag hindi kaya, pwede tanggalin, tapos itaktak mo lang.
Okay.
Okay? Kinang? Okay.
Mayo ba ginalimpyuhan kay mga daghan ba ang mga responsable na mga Okay. They have 2 diving guide and the island in the background is Negros Oriental. He said that it's facing the town of Libertad, and I told the diving instructor that I'm gonna swim that later. I will cross. Okay, there is my wife paddling, the one with the green vest. And where is my Oniko Apo? Oh, we'll have turtle watching. Okay, underwater. Wow, look at that. Look at the wave. There, yeah. And then after that, they go to the deeper part there. Right there, deeper part for the sardine run. They said, siguro sabi ko, maguli ng sardinas kay sugba ko, pamahaw, kay wa pa kami kapamahaw. So, we need sudan. Okay? Diving instructor said that June, the current is too strong, so you don't have to let go of the salvavida because you will be swept by the current. It's just too strong right now this morning, and to be safe, that's why they have to hold on to the, if you notice, they are holding to the life, what is this, salvavida, the orange ring right there, and they go in a group so that it will be more safe to go with a group than to be alone. Even the diving instructor telling me this is unusual this morning because look at these people here. Look at this. Okay, so when you come back here, it's Kuya Dundee. Okay, these two guys are very good instructor, and you can rent a lot of things here, everything complete. Okay, right there. So you don't need to bring something, just rent here. Okay, all right there. Yeah, that is June Ray. See, he's a good instructor, but he cannot save me. I'm 230 pounds. Okay, so my apo, my wife, and my daughter had a great fun today. So we started 7 o'clock in the morning. All right.
Wala yung buto-buto.
Ha? Wala buto-buto?
Hindi lang tawa kung ano pa ng bata. Wala gito buto throughout the
Uy! Enjoy kita.
Oo.
Oh, MG.
Just this book worth ang bayad namin.
Okay.
Okay, maka-download na kami footage.
Download sa nga new nga ano.
Grabing alon.
Oo, lalong
Tama.
Yeah, because nagapa taob eh.
Ang gusto yung dami ko kagabi. Grabe, hindi nga wave.
You enjoy? Noah James? Oh, she's not talking because she's
It's okay.
scared.
Siguro ka na magsaka.
That was a turtle, like this. This is a turtle. See? Enjoy gid ang apo ko. It's worth kuno sabi ng lola. It's worth their adventure here. Rental motorbike.
Ang dami ko nag-listen siya na mga.
O niya na lang bay, pagbalik. And this is our hotel for the next 4 days. Okay. Secret Paradise. So this is the Secret Paradise. Okay. They have their bar here. Okay. And they have the reception here. And they have the swimming pool. Okay. This is how it looks like. Secret Paradise. Okay. This is our first activity here in Cebu, in Mualboal. So after the diving, okay, after then breakfast, then after lunch we will go to Kawasan Falls. These are the cottages, hotel, and our number 1 and number 2, because the hotel room is only good for 2 people, so we got to get 2 rooms. Okay. And that is the swimming pool. This is where I'm gonna swim today. Okay. And that is Angel and Noah's room. And this is my room. Oh, it's open. Oh, it's open already. See this? Where is the